Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Safeco account. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for Safeco Login just like this. And after you search for it, the first option where it says safeco.com, click on it. That is the official URL, safeco.com. Now once you're over here, at the top right you can see the login button, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the login page of Safeco. Now, so once you're in the login page of Safeco, where it says email, enter the email of your account, and where it says password, enter the password of your account. And after you do that, click on login. And if the email you entered over here is correct and the password as well, then you should be able to log in into your Safeco account. And for some reason, if you forgot the password of your account, you can also click on forgot password to recover them as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.